Right, so I have to go back and watch this for them.
We know NY. NY. Yeah. Okay, so I think there are two Kairos, right? There's one Kairos capital and use a model for Kairos investment capital. For business. Yeah, and also I've done project finance with now that we are making full cash from financial model.
No. So this is it. I've gone for so many training on it, but I do not have the time. So that's why I really appreciate the capstone project.
So if you have to compare the capstone project, this particular one, I mean the previous lessons and this particular figure,
I think I love it. Like there are a lot of tricks that I get to them, the Omega,
they're using Omega for it. How many of you have used Omega before?
I've not used it before. Like I was like, what was going
You guys know the shortcut to bring out symbols. No. The shortcut to bring out all the symbols that you never see.
And people will learn that from you.
So if you go to, you can go to Excel